We Homo sapiens are interesting creatures, we are smart, even creative, but most of all, we are diabolical. You know what monkeys can do? Poison their own for life insurance. But this mental woman that I'm about to show you in a documentary presented by Law and Crime Trial Network is crazy enough to do that. A big step for this massive battle of a smelly race, but a small step for humanity. The evil wife of our story tried to poison her own husband by bleach to get her hands on insurance money. Yep, that's it, that was her nefarious plan. Fortunately, soon enough the husband found out about this unholy script, but didn't file a report. Until he did, and they told him that he needs more proof, which he did provide with great quality.
A military wife is now charged with attempted first-degree homicide after her husband allegedly caught her on camera pouring bleach into his coffee maker. He says it was all to get life insurance benefits.
I know that they have to use the word allegedly till the case is taken to court, but still it sounds so silly. They have a 360 perspective on the crime scene. Would make you think that hey, it's obvious the lady is guilty. But it's just how the Saul Goodman's life works. Better call Saul. Allegedly though, you don't have to use CGI in this crime scene. I mean, even a fucking pig can put 2 and 2 together. Bleach plus evil wife plus coffee maker equals dead man.
The man, quote, suspected someone was tampering with his coffee, and in May 2023, while still in Germany, he set up a camera in his house. The husband alleged his wife used bleach as a form of poison, storing the chemical under the sink.
As you can see, that freaking cow is not going easy on that coffee machine. She is going hog wild. 2 scoops of bleach. Even for my moldy underwears I don't use that much. As you saw, our naked cowboy found out about this back in Germany, but he didn't file a report because he wanted to do it in US, which is an interesting choice. So in all the time between, he was pretending to go along with her plans, fake sipping the coffee, which is so funny. It's just like D&D. You just roll the deception dice with advantage and you got critical success. You might ask, why with advantage? Well, I don't know, maybe because bleach is one of the most flustering chemicals that you can put into coffee. That shit is more obvious than shit itself. Literally, you have better chances using poop as a poisonous substance than bleach. You can smell it from 2 billion light years. Now imagine tasting it. You take 1 sip. That doesn't taste like cappuccino, it tastes like devil's ass. Dirty but cleansing. After getting alert and understanding that something is wrong with his coffee, he starts buying many cameras. I don't know if he suspected that Ant-Man from Avengers is tampering with his coffee because he didn't hold back at all. And I just love to imagine that he kinda got disappointed after finding out that it's his wife doing so. He was expecting Donald Trump Jr. in tight clothes himself. Realistically though, I think his wife was the first person that he pointed fingers at. Cause who else is going to try to poison you with bleach? Until, I don't know, Ichigo decides that it's time for you to understand what bleach really means.
Court documents state that at the time, during May 2023, the husband, quote, stopped drinking the coffee but continued to pretend to drink it as he did not want to make a report of this while in Germany. He said he knew his wife would continue poisoning him and wanted to submit a report while in the US.
You can make so many goofy scenarios out of this. It's just like one of those cringy videos on TikTok. You know about that sound? He knows. Oh no, he knows. Oh no, he knows. He knows. Yeah, that one. Or I don't know, maybe his wife was just trying to look after her husband. She read an article online on Facebook about bleach, telling you how it can kill every disease and bacteria inside of your body. So she decided it's time for her husband to get healthy. Bite the forbidden apple. I want you to know though, I understand that this is very hard. This is very deep. Imagine your significant other actively trying to kill you. It is yucky.
1 month later, in late June, the family returned to the United States and was stationed at an Air Force base in Tucson, Arizona. At that point, additional cameras were set up. Video captures Feliciano Johnson pour something into the coffee pot and look over her shoulder to see if anyone is watching. By early July, her husband reported his findings to the Tucson Police Department.
So this buffoonery continued for over a month. I really hope he didn't miss on the chance to fuck with her. Oh honey, this coffee is splendid, you should try it, come on, go on, what the fuck is wrong with you, take a sip, come on. What is really scary is knowing that she could decide to change her methods at any moment. Going like, damn, my husband should be a god, what the fuck, Bleach doesn't have any effect on him. He should kill my grandparents, what the hell? So she changes her class into rat poison. It could have got messy. You know what, maybe he thought about that. Maybe he started acting ill. Oh honey, I don't know what it is. I think I'm dying. What the fuck? I can't see. Holy shit, I'm going blind. Darling, I just want you to know it really hurts when I pee. Cause you know, at some point she should have been like, damn, this guy is immune to poison. We should film this. I'm just glad it didn't come to that.
Showed the officers at the front desk the video. But since you could not clearly see what she was pouring into the coffee maker, the report was taken with no follow-up. At that point, he purchased additional cameras disguised as fire alarms. He set them up in the laundry room and in the kitchen area where the coffee maker was located.
So it wasn't useful evidence because they couldn't see what she is pouring into the coffee machine, which is understandable to some extent, but I think leaving the case alone is stupid. She could have hurt this man. Anyway, after hearing no, the guy said, fuck that. I'm ready for a challenge. I can lead a camera crew for Hollywood at this point, baby. A few more cameras it is. At this point, it was more reasonable to just kill her. I mean the expenses. These cameras aren't cheap. Anyway, he sets up a ton of cameras, getting every angle. This man can actually upload a fucking map out of his house on Roblox. He can convert everything into pixels. However, he said that's not enough. Took one step further and conducted his own experiment in his house to prove his claims.
Normal. It smells. I can smell it. I can smell it. Soapy. Tea. You're gonna see purple. Boom.
Science is a beautiful art. You just have to appreciate it. After collecting all that, he tried again.
Feliciano Johnson was caught on camera multiple times, appearing to pour bleach in the laundry room, walking it into the next room, and then pouring it into the coffee maker. After collecting multiple videos that showed her allegedly pouring the bleach into the machine, Feliciano Johnson was arrested on July 18th.
Tell you what, this man couldn't fix her. I'm assuming it was the guy's duty to buy groceries and the lady to make a list. How much bleach did this man buy? Just for them to go into the coffee machine, ruining his pot and coffee. But he just couldn't resist. Anyway, I just wanted to talk about this. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment if you want to. I'd be more than happy to read them all. Anyway, my name is Arsh, and I'll see you in another video. Till then, goodbye. Oh, sorry.